You talk to me, can you take it to the top with me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Come and rock with me. Can you take it to the top with me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. How you guys doing? I am doing good. I'm watching my son right now. So he's watching his shows. I'm chilling on my phone. Just living life. So, but I made myself some little delicious coffee. I made it coffee pot, like I made it with the coffee machine. It worked out great. So, until I get into coffee, I'm definitely gonna make more coffee. We gotta get some creamer. But yeah. I just took my psych meds too. I was sometimes getting creepy thoughts, paranoia. But yeah. I'm vaping vanilla right now. Vanilla flavor. So. So yeah. See you right there. Watching the shows like a good boy.